Today, we are going to be taking off the red and gray Z71 stickers and replacing them with the all blacked out ones. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna be doing, guys, is we're actually gonna mask the very edge of this. So the tape's gonna be our line that we're gonna line the new stickers up on. And then I'm actually gonna put the same thing going along the edge of the Z, and that'll give us our angle and everything. So as long as I line the stickers up exactly how these ones are lined up, it should be in the exact same spot and place. It'll be super easy. So we got everything masked off now, and this second small piece of tape is just to line up the bottom of the Z, because this top of the Z sticks out just a little bit further than the bottom. It's not super noticeable, but it's gonna make it easier for me to line up, so I'm just gonna go ahead. And then the back of my tape's a nice straight line to line up with the edge of the one. So that'll make it a whole lot easier to line up. Now we're just gonna take the hairdryer to it. Yes, this is ghetto, I understand. We're on a budget, don't hate. We're gonna slowly peel this off. Should leave a nice clean surface. I will clean the surface after this is peeled off. All right, so we're using we've been using the hairdryer to kind of heat it up and peel it off. Just makes it come off a lot easier, but I'm also finding that because of how hot it gets, it's making the sticker kind of just tear. So I'm just gonna do this without it, because I think my truck's actually warm enough from the summer days to make this peel off just fine. And it is peeling off super easy. All right, so we got it all peeled off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it off. You can kind of still see some of the lines from where the original one was. So I'm gonna use Windex to start and then water to clean off the Windex. I'm just trying to get rid of some of these lines and just clean it up real nice. All right, so we got the surface all cleaned off, all prepped now. Now we're gonna put the sticker on itself. So it comes on the clear side so you can see everything. And then the sticky side you'll lay on. Make sure it's all smooth, and then you'll just go ahead and peel the white part off after it's all on there. So we're gonna get ready to lay that on. All right, so it's all done on both sides.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
I'm really liking it though. I think it looks really good. I love the look. Standing back from it even, I just think it's a good, clean look. The other side was just as easy. I literally just put, like I said, I lined the tape up with the top, I lined the tape up with the Z, and at that point it's just kind of like tucking it up into where the tape edges line up. And it just sits perfectly. And you can use like a credit card, definitely use like a credit card or your thumb as you're laying down the sticker, and just go up and down and slowly move this direction. And that'll hopefully keep from any bubbles getting inside the sticker. And so, yeah, but I'm happy with it. So we're gonna go get some shots with it. So onward and upward, as they say.
Hello.
Now, bring me that horizon.